Hi guys, welcome back to the channel once again. I got no, here now she's locked up again. I got no reverse on my snowblower, so I got to take this belly pan off and I got to make some adjustments inside here to fix it. Yesterday when I took it out of my shed, it freewheeled, and then this piece hit the bottom step, and ever since then she hasn't been able to back up. She can go ahead, but she's grinding in 6th gear. So I gotta see what's going on there. So we'll take that pan off. You need a 3/8 socket. It's just 4 bolts, I think. Oop. Because it's stood up on its end right now, it's leaking a bit of gas. So it is what it is. Now I should have a little pan to put these bolts in. Don't lose them. Yeah, I see a cover over there to a screwdriver back. Screw back. Still raining here, so the Harley is still out by the door, and we had snow the other day, so I didn't get a chance to put it in. I was actually gone away to visit my dad, and when I came back there was snow on the ground, so my Harley couldn't get in the garage, or in the trailer, sorry. So hopefully once I get this fixed, I can shove it out by the door for a minute and hopefully squeeze the 35-inch handlebar spread in through that 32-inch door. Or 32-inch door. And then it'll be in here for the winter. Alrighty. Now, see how this comes apart. I've never done this before. So if it's new to you, it's also new to me. I got some belt rubber. What's going on there now? What's going on there? So I'll just bring you in here. So right now I got her up in 6th gear, which this thing slides right across as you go, right? She speeds up. The problem I'm having is I don't have any reverse gear. Now, oh, and that's my wife. Hello. Hi. Oh, okay. All right, I'll be right there. Bye. Lunch is ready. I'm gonna have to pause this video. The wife made some roast beef, so I got roast beef and potatoes. Oh, that's hot. Shit. Damn it. Ah, crap. Don't try this at home, kids. Good God. That's hot. She tried trying to burn me. And she did it. Alrighty. Anybody want to watch me eat lunch? Oh, that's good. Melt in your mouth, roast beef. Oh, oh, oh. Alright, I'm going to eat this and I'll be back. Well, while sitting here eating my lunch, I discovered what the problem is. I'll just bring you in here and show you. I'll turn on the light so you can see better. This little fork fits in there. And that's what causes her to shift from 6th gear down to reverse. And right now, it ain't fitting. So I got to take this apart. Somehow an adjustment. There's just a bolt on top. And there's a big spring in there. Bolt on top. Spring in there. I wonder if I can move that all the way over. Oh, excuse me. No. Yeah. Yeah. I got to get that back into there. And then we'll be all good to go, I think. What drives the wheels though? Oh yeah, the gear drives the wheels. Oh yeah, you see that? It's crooked. Oh yeah, you see it when you spin it? Watch that fella. There you see gears. Right? Watch. Oh yeah. She's a wonky donkey. And it's that piece. I might be able to put a pry bar on that and pry it back over. Maybe. Maybe. We'll see. We'll see. So, I'll put you back here. And perhaps I could zoom you in a little bit. So you guys can see what I'm doing. Ooh, camera's out of adjustment right there, boy. There we go. All right. I should have a crowbar. Watch out. Bit of attitude adjustment. Maybe that's the way it's supposed to go, because it ain't moving. It's not loose. Not loose by no means. I wonder, I should be able to pull up on that a little bit. Big spring in there. Got that big spring in there. All right, let's put her back up in 6th gear. Oh, water. Water. excuse me. Let's put her in that here. Let's try third. She can go back over. So I got that pin now, that dog, that fork, put on top of that shifter making her happener. We'll see if I can pry it over and let that pop right down in. Use some leverage. Come on, baby. Maybe gotta be the whole thing. Yeah. All right. All right. That might have did it. So the best thing for me to do, put her down on her wheels and start her up and see if we got forward and reverse. Well, let's just try that first. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Alrighty. And that bear. That belt. Tightens in that belt, and that's where we're getting the belt wear. Right in there. By golly. Alright, before I put her back on her wheels, I'm going to spray her right full of fluid film, if I got it here still. I used to have it. Fluid film. The glasser's not working. Oh, where's that? Oh, there it is there, right in front of my eyes. Fluid film right in front of my eyes, and I can't even see it. All right. Alright. Now, I'm almost absolutely sure that this is going to work, so I'm going to be brave, and I'm going to put this pan back on. No good to be scared. said to hit her like Fonzarelli. Do anybody remember who Fonzarelli is? Henry Winkler. Good old happy days. Good old happy days. I'm going to put all my nuts and bolts in. Am I behind the camera? Am I in front of the camera, I mean? Now you don't have to over tighten these because it's just in the sheet metal. You don't want to strip out that sheet metal because then you got to get in a bigger bolt. Stick in there. So you just put them in there until they snug and give them a little turn. Right there. What song is that? Right. Yeah, let's put her back down on our wheels before all the gas is drained out of her. We'll probably have to let her sit. Oh, good God. I guess I should have been more careful. I forgot my phone was up there. Now I got her covered in fluid film. Yeah, it's good for the girls I goes out with. I got stuff in the house to take care of that anyway. A little bit of windshield cleaner. Glass cleaner. Alright. We probably should let her sit, where she was up there for that long. So I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll pause the video. I'll zoom out. I'll pause the video and I'll let her sit for a little bit. I'll finish my lunch and then we'll start her up. Well, I just tested it and she a no-go. So I'll start it up and just show you guys what's going on. Well, I don't know what's going on really. I don't know much. I don't know much about snowblowers. I don't know anything about snowblowers, to be honest with you. I tell you the truth. Sooner tell you the truth and lie to you. So, turn up the gas. Oh, come on, are you serious? So, take her apart again. Take her apart again and see what's going on. Take her apart again. I even put away my tools because I was so confident that that was the problem, that little shifting fork. But apparently, there's a little bit more to it than that. Now I'll zoom in on her. Right there, be good. Dang it! Oh, there you go. Dang it. Oh yes, helps it everything. Oh yeah. If you joined this channel and thought that you was going to be watching a mechanic, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I am not a mechanic. Far stretch. Alright, where are you at? 38. Take Navity, he said. Get rid of my phone out of my pocket. I have a glass of water. There. Got my American chopper stool. Anybody remember them guys? Yeah, vague memory. Vague memory of them guys. Two girls, wasn't it? Build motorcycles, they were always fighting. Paula, what's his name? Paula Tuttle and Paula Jr. Yeah, that's right, that's it. Paula. Because I don't know of any two men that would get on TV and act like they did. Oh, come on now, Gracie. Put them there so I won't lost them. Oh, that one fell out. Yeah, I don't know what happened there. For that to be like that. I had her running, now I see smoke. Because now she's dripping gas. Just in case. Safety first, folks. Safety first. Put the little... Well, you can't even see what I did. I brought over the fire extinguisher. Alright. Let's see what we got going on here this time. So this fella maybe that's got to be tightened. Ah, boy. I guess I shouldn't have put fluid film on it. Well, well, well. 3 holes in the ground. All right. Might as well take you with me, I suppose. I gotta go up to my truck and get some rags. We'll all be monkey shit. Oh, by the way, it's still raining here in Nova Scotia. Look at that. We've had 2.5, almost 3 weeks of rain. Maybe a day and a half of sun. Then we had snow. And then we had rain. And the damn stuff haven't stopped. We had a bit of snow the other day. You can see a little bit of snow on the ground, and that's gone. Well, I'll be dipped. Oh, got some new swag made up for myself. And of course, my lovely wife tried it on before I did. And she's wearing it. Alrighty. Well, well, well. Now, do I have... I got no window cleaner out here. The window cleaner is all up in the shed. Oh, I do have some water. I do have some water that the wife brought out to me. Which that won't do anything because oil and water don't mix. Oil and water don't mix, alright. Yeah, so I got oil all on that, and this, see, it's all flicked up around and everything, so I made a big freaking mess. And thought I was doing a good thing by lubricating everything, but nope. Nope, that wasn't very smart of me. What? I'm going to rectify it now. I'm going to rectify it now. I wish I had tripods to sit you fellers on. Come here, Mr. Chair. Let's see. Whoop. Let's see if I can adjust this camera. Unstable floor, unstable camera. Look. Oof. Unstable chair. Your host is a little bit unstable. Yeah, a bad thing. Done a bad thing. Bad thing. Oh well, live and learn. Lesson learned anyway. There you go. Take off some of this excess oil, fluid film. Great stuff. You're using it for the right application. You're using it for the right application. I can't get my fingers in there. That's what she said. Need some like brake clean or engine degreaser or something. Yeah. Yippee-yi, yippee-yay. Yippee-yi, yippee-yay. There we go. Give her a little turn so I can get at the rest of it. All right. All right. This is Matthew McConaughey. Apparently a lot of people don't like him, eh? I'm not really sure why. Alright, what have I got here that's in some kind of a spray? That's a degreaser. Probably nothing. Well, I got no brake clean. I tried that Bonamy glass cleaner. That's in French. Nobody reads that shit. That was right. Ah! Honest to God. Did it freeze up or what? It just froze. It just worked up there. Story of my life. I wish they'd do away with aerosol cans altogether. Well, let's try that. Let's try that. Shall we? Let's try that. All right. Move that back. Probably should wait. Close the old door. Ratchets. Shit out of the way. Should I start it up? No. Worst comes to worst. We'll do it before extinguisher. Probably flooded. Being up on rain. This is usually a one pole machine. Let's take her off choke. Did you see it? Oh boy, that makes me happy. Didn't have to spend no money. Got her fixed. Now I just got to put that belly pan back on her. And we are good. So, I don't think you need to stick around and watch me put a belly pan on, do you? I mean, you see me take it off twice. Or maybe once. I can't remember how long ago I started this video. 37 minutes and 22 seconds. Sweet love of God. Anyways, guys, thanks for sticking around this long, and I appreciate you. Stick around because there'll be more videos of these kind of shenanigans, because if there's anybody that can get into it, I get into it. You know what Murphy's Law is, right? Anything that can go wrong will go wrong. Hi, my name is Murphy. No, it's not. Anyway, there she be. Now, get that thing out of here. Get that stuff moved. And then hopefully bring the Harley in. The pavement is bare now, almost, pretty much. Flip over that piece of plywood and hopefully drive her right in here. This door might give me troubles, but I'm going to swing it right back as far as it can go. And hope for the best, because it got to come in here. One way or the other. Suppose I got to turn it around and back it in here and get my wife to push on the handlebars while I pull on the handlebars. Get her in here somewhere. Suppose I got to bring her in backwards. Anyways, guys, thanks for sticking around. I appreciate you, and I'll catch you on the flip-flop. Peace.